Hello everyone, welcome back to the Home to Hope podcast. This is San here, a common woman like you, just figuring out life step by step. Today's episode is something many women silently experience, even they never say it out loud. We are talking about why women lose confidence after marriage and family responsibilities, and how to slowly get that confidence back. Let me start with something simple. Have you ever looked at another woman and thought, why is she so confident and why do I feel so small? Or maybe you told yourself, I used to be bold, I used to be active. What happened to me now? If yes, trust me, you are not alone. This happens to so many women, especially after marriage. Why confidence drops? Confidence does not disappear in one day. It happens slowly. Let me tell you few reasons. First reason, too many responsibilities at once, like cooking, cleaning, taking care of kids, in-laws, work, etc. Women handle everything but still feel like they're not doing enough. And second reason, no appreciation at all. You work the whole day but nobody notices. Slowly you start believing you're not doing anything valuable. Third reason, comparing yourself to others. You see other women doing big things and you think, why can't I do that? Alright, fourth reason, losing your own identity. Before marriage, we had dreams. After marriage, everything became about the family. You forget who you are. And when you forget yourself, confidence reduces naturally. Now we have to think how to get confidence back. Now here is the positive part. Confidence can always come back. Remember, confidence can always come back. You are not stuck forever. Let me share you few simple steps. The first thing, start from small, very small. Don't think of big goals. Start with tiny actions. Reading for 10 minutes, walking for 5 minutes, learning one new word a day. These small wins rebuild your confidence. Yes, I'm very sure these small wins will rebuild your confidence. And second thing, do one thing for yourself daily. Not for kids, not for husband, not for house. For you. I'm not telling you should not take care of them. You can do. But in addition of that, you have to do one small thing for yourself daily. Even if it's just 10 minutes, it matters. Third point, stop comparing. Don't do that. Every woman has her own life, her own struggles. Your journey is something unique. Walk at your own speed. Even it is slow or fast, no worries, no worries. Stop comparing. And fourth point, speak kindly to yourself. The way you talk to your mind matters. Change I can't into I will try. Change that thought. That one small sentence can change your mood instantly. Celebrate your daily wins. Did you cook? That's a win. Did you manage kids? That's a win. Did you learn something new today? A big win. Confidence grows through small victories. Okay, now I will give you gentle motivation. Remember something, you are not weak. You are exhausted. There is a difference between them. So, your confidence is not gone. It's just sleeping somewhere. Wake it up. Wake it up slowly. With love, but not pressure. Don't pressure yourself. And don't forget, you don't have to be strong every day. There are some days you can rest. Some days you can cry. But remember, don't give it up. Don't give it up. So, we are in a closing section. Thank you for listening to episode 2. If today's talk touched your heart even a little bit, comment and tell me what connected with you. You're not alone, okay? We are all growing together. See you in the next episode. Signing off, San, a common woman just like you.